Now, that's in the air. Thank you very much and goodbye. Rishad has joined the party. And Rovman Powell, who really was the dominating factor in the last game, perishes just for 3.
Softest dismissal. They were just the back of the leg spinner. And every time Liton Kumar brings in a change in bowling, the bowler has delivered. Mustafiz delivered with the wicket of Shai Hope, and now Rishad Hussain was expensive in his first over. Went for 15. His first ball of the second over dismisses. Rovman Powell rocketed out. 117 for 5.
The game of glorious uncertainties lives up to that saying, and we've seen this happening. Surprised him, just lobbed it up.
That's one weak point in Rovman Powell's game, playing the wrist spinners. And Mustafiz, he cannot believe his luck. That was a dolly.
Roston Chase on strike. 2 new batters in the middle. 2 batters will be under extreme duress because the bowlers have come back very strongly here.
Yeah, certainly, Shamim, the bowlers have been excellent. Coming back where a 200 run was threatening. Almost now 170 will be a good score. Roston Chase playing his 33rd innings. Certainly a batter who can be handy on his day, but had a forgetful ODI series, so he'll be wanting on a good pitch to bat to make a contribution.
Oh, another beauty. A slight polite inquiry to the square leg umpire for a stumping there.
Advantage of having a wrist spinner with full of confidence is this, Shamim. Beautifully done. A perfect leg spinner's delivery. The late great Shane Warne would have been happy to see that delivery with curve, spin as well as bounce.
Talk about the perfect mixture. Oh, catch it is the call. Fielder says, I'll catch it definitely, because Rishad Hussain, with that catch, I'm going to give you your second wicket in the over. Bangladesh right on top.
The second wicket fell at 106, believe me or not. And 118, the 6th wicket falls. There was a poor stroke by Jason Holder, but an experienced player trying to steady the ship where he was rocking for a while. That's not a stroke you play as an experienced batter. It's a rocket out with Jason Holder gone for 4. It's 118 for 6.
The West Indies are imploding here. They're falling apart like a house of cards. Romario Shepherd, what can you do? Got to stick around. Just be sensible and play out the remaining overs.
Nothing sensible with that stroke. Trying to clear the boundary. Just facing a couple of 3 deliveries prior was a poor stroke. And every time Liton Kumar brought in a change in bowling, the bowler has delivered.
He's making the batters think. Rishad Hussain, after an expensive first over, has come back so very well. Just the single run and 2 wickets in this over. Look at the manner in which they've collapsed. 106 for 1. 5 wickets falling for just 12 runs. And they get a single to finish over number 15. It's 119 for 6.